Hey, what is up, Phone Dog viewers? Beau HD here, and today I want to show you some cool and useful tips and tricks for your LG G3. And as you guys probably know, the LG G3 is one of the best phones we've seen so far this year, and it packs a ton of features, some of which are hidden, which is why I want to highlight some of them in this video. In fact, I'll show you 10 of them, starting with NOC Code. Now, NOC Code is a very unique feature that is only on the LG G3 with the exception to a couple other LG phones, but it basically allows you to unlock your device through a series of taps on your phone. You have 4 quadrants you can create a custom tapping combination with, but what I like about it is that when your phone is asleep, you can enter in your combination and it will automatically unlock your device without ever presenting the lock screen. So not only does it save you time, but it provides a lot of security for your device. Dual window is another little trick that not too many people know about, but it essentially lets you multitask very similarly to Samsung's multi-view feature. All you have to do is press on the multitasking button and then select dual window below, and it'll show you a full tray of dual window compatible apps for you to tap on and drag either to the top or bottom of your display. But as you can see, it's fairly hidden, but I actually use it a lot since I can watch a YouTube video while scrolling through a web page. It's pretty awesome. You guys should definitely check it out if you have an LG G3. Also with your G3, you can customize the scrollable quick settings on the pull down notification tray. So naturally, you have the rotation toggle, the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings, and other basic info like that. But you can also add several other commands like a toggle switch to change the time your phone sleeps, along with all sorts of other different notifications, such as a battery saver icon, mobile data toggle switch, NFC toggle switch, and a quiet mode, among many other things. I mean, there's really a lot you can change here, and you can move them around and rearrange them however you'd like, so that you can put the notifications you use up front and center. Now, smart cleaning is another nifty little feature LG included with this phone. It's located in the settings, but it basically allows you to delete all your temporary files and downloads to free up some extra space. It's kind of a lot like the %temp% command you can punch into the run command on a Windows computer to access all your temporary items, so I found this hidden trick to be quite useful actually. It really does free up some extra space if you're in a pinch. Also, when your phone is locked or asleep, you can use the shortcut keys to activate various apps. For example, if you press and hold the volume up key, you get access to QMemo, which is LG's note-taking app. So from there, you can easily write down someone's number or food order or something like that, some kind of information you need to write down quickly. You can use your finger, although I'd imagine a stylus would be best here. And also, if you hold down the volume down button on your phone, it'll activate the camera app. So if you're in a hurry, you can easily launch the camera app without ever turning on your phone and unlocking it. So it just makes things much quicker, and it's good to know about if you're in a hurry. Now, another little hidden gem in the settings is LG's guest mode, which is pretty self-explanatory. It basically lets a guest use your phone without them ever having access to your personal information. Before you turn on guest mode, you can set which apps you want to allow your guests to use, along with the wallpaper and lock screen type. And then if you want to activate guest mode, you can have your guest punch in the NOC Code sequence that activates the guest mode, and bam, you're in a very empty world of your own with access to 4 apps you selected in the settings. So if you have kids or family and friends that use your phone a lot, you're definitely going to want to turn this mode on. Now, a cool little trick I wanted to show you has to do with the multitasking menu, in that when it's activated, you can use 2 fingers to pinch and zoom, essentially to rearrange how the multitasking menu looks. If you like a lot of windows to choose from, you can zoom out, or if you want one big window that is your last visited app, you can zoom in and it'll become much larger. Another little appearance tweak you can make on your G3 is to change the system font in the settings. This will change the font across the entire phone, so if you're bored of the stock new Smart Gothic font, you can change it to something more classy like Fox Rain or Coffee. And you can change the size of the font to something smaller or larger than what you're used to. And as you can see, it'll be changed throughout the entire OS, which is pretty neat, especially if you're looking to spice up the look of your G3. You can also change the navigation buttons, or more specifically the home touch buttons, by going to the display category in the settings. You can change the color from black to white, and you can toggle the transparency. But what's really cool is that you can drag and drop icons to rearrange your home touch buttons. So you can add a button for the notification tray, QMemo, Q-Slide apps, and even a button for dual window. I mean, not a whole lot of phones are able to do this, so it's a pretty sweet trick LG threw in there. And so with that last tip and trick, this is a total of 10 tips and tricks you now know of on the LG G3. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know LG packed this phone full of customizable features, so if you know of any other cool tips and tricks, let your fellow Phone Dog family members know by leaving a comment down below. But with that said, I'm Beau HD from Phone Dog. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. See ya.